So when you want to build a new website, and then of course, yeah, you should think about the optimized website structure. And this is what I want to talk in this video about. So in this video, I want to show you how you structure your new website in a perfect way. So of course, in a perfect way for Google and all the other search engines, and of course, for the user, so that the user can directly find everything, can find all the information, can find the right call to action button, and that the user like your website and can quickly navigate your website. And also, yeah, of course, like I said before, so that the search engines like Google, Bing, and all the other search engines can easily index your website and also, of course, understand your website. And yeah, this is what I want to show you in this video. So here I made a little graphic here and I want to show you everything. So this is our homepage. So this is our new plan. So when we want to create a website for a specific business, I don't know, then we plan the main homepage. So on the main homepage, of course, we have all the general information, what is the general topic of our website, show little teaser of our company, of our services, and so on. This should also, of course, be created in a nice, modern, and clean way. So don't be too playful. Keep it simple, keep it clean. And yeah, so when we created our website, our main homepage, and then also it is very important that we don't give too many specific information. So when the user lands on our website, then they should see, or they must see, the service categories, and then they can click on the specific categories. And also, of course, we want to create or design our website in a nice looking, modern way, not too playful. Keep it clean, keep it simple. And yeah, this is the best way. So then let's go a little bit further down. So here we have all the different sub pages. We want to create the different sub pages, like contact page, the about us page, the service page, blog, FAQ page, and customer stories if you want. So of course you can create more or less sub pages, but I have this as an example. So the contact us page, of course, is very, very important. Is almost the most important page, so that when a customer wants to contact us, they can find all our contact informations. They can find the form, the contact form, or our phone number, our email address, and so on. This is really important. We want to link this page, of course, from our main homepage, so that they can click here and then they see all the options on how they can contact us. Then the next really important page that you have to have on your website. So it doesn't matter which business you are in, you definitely need an about us page. So if the potential customer, your client, your potential client lands on your website and then they want to have more information about you or your company structure, or the persons who run the business, then they go to the about us page. The about us page, of course, should show all the information about you, about your business, about your employees, how old your business is, and so on. This is maybe a video. A video is always good. So if you can, if you have the time, the capabilities for this, then you should definitely take a video. So videos are getting more and more important, because people like to watch videos, want to see the real person behind the business, and then you can, of course, build trust with your potential new customers by showing yourself, showing your team, showing your shop or whatever. And you can place this here on the about us page. This is a really good idea, and you can integrate, or you must integrate it, of course, on your main homepage. And then the next page is the service page. Here on the service page, we are giving an overview of our different services. So for example, when you own or when you run a plumbing business, then you can tease all the different sections you are working in, and yeah, this is really important that you briefly describe your services. And then we have the blog page. On the blog page, you should, yeah, definitely write from time to time, every week or when you have time for this, specific industry related blog posts. Blog posts are, of course, really interesting and helpful for your SEO, and show that you are a real business, that you know what you're doing. When you are a plumber, then give free tips on, I don't know, on something plumbing related stuff or whatever. When you are in, I don't know, when you own a car shop, then give tips about how to repair your car, something like this. So blogs, yeah, a blog page and the blog posts are really important. Then we have the FAQ page. So when I create websites, I always create a specific FAQ page. So we can use this FAQ page. On this page, of course, you can answer the different or potential questions that potential customers have. You can write as many FAQs, as many questions and answers as you want, and yeah, you can of course structure those questions in a good and logical form. This makes sense. So when somebody lands on your homepage and then they have a question about your industry, about your business, then they can simply jump to the FAQ page. They see that you answer all the questions, and this is of course really helpful for the potential user that visits your website. And also Google can see this, that you answer all the questions, that you are really knowledgeable in your specific field. And an FAQ page is really important to have. And also you can implement a schema FAQ schema markup, so that Google can register this and can maybe show this on the search in the search results. Really good thing to have an FAQ page. Then you can, for example, you don't have to do this or have to include the customer stories. From time to time, it makes sense to build a customer stories page where you can show different experience or different testimonials or something like this, different customer stories. I think when you do it the right way, then it can have a really positive effect on your rankings and what Google can make out of this. So if you want to include this, then feel free to include a customer story page. This is really important. And the next, or let's go back to the service page. So here we have our service page where we list all the different service categories, where we briefly describe all the different services. And then from this page, let me make this a little bit bigger. So from this main service page, we link or we create separate subpages to the main services. So here we can, here's the service 1, here's service 2, and service 3. And for each service, we only on each detailed service page, we are talking only about this specific service. So this means that when you own a plumbing business, for example, then or let's take the example of a car repair shop, then you have here the service page where you only talk about tire changes. So then you have here the service page called tire changes or tire repair. And then here we have the service page dent repair, for example. And then this service page is about, interior repair or something like this. And yeah, on this service page, this specific service page, you only talk about this specific, this one service. So that we only here talk about tire repair, and we name this page tire repair. We include in this page the right keywords or the relevant keywords about the topic tire repair. So that we have only the specific topic here of the service. So this makes sense because then Google exactly knows what this page is all about. When we, for example, when we put all our services on one page, then Google doesn't know exactly what we are offering on this specific page, and then Google don't want to show this website or this page because Google is not sure what this page exactly is all about, and then they will show the page from our competitor. So this makes really sense, or do this, then chances are higher that Google will show your website or show this page, because Google knows exactly what this page is all about, what you're offering here on this specific service page. And the next thing, of course, or the same thing, of course, you do with the service 2 page and the service 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and so on. On every single sub service page, only talk about one specific service, about one specific topic. Each service page focus on a single specific service and users relevant keywords. Every service page is optimized for SEO. Only one H1, then we have the H2 with the relevant keywords, then we have the optimized title tag and optimized meta description and so on. And this is how you are structuring your website for SEO and how you can win the SEO game. So make sure that your website is optimal structured, and I will put a link. I wrote an article about this. I will put the article link in the video description down below. You can go there, check it out. There I also show a few more tips, and check it out if you want, if you are interested in this. And that's it so far for the video. So if you have any questions, let me please know in the comments down below. And also, if you found the video informative, if you learned something new, if you found the video interesting, then please press the thumbs up button. And also, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, every subscription, every thumbs up helps. Then that's it for the video. So thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.